Hello everyone, it's Cameron from Hearing Solutions. Today I wanted to talk to you about the hearing aid fitting. So there's a few steps that go along with the hearing process. The first thing that we need to do is book our initial assessment. That's where you'll be meeting the clinician, that's where they'll be doing the test, they'll go over the results, and then they can verify that yes, this person needs a hearing aid. So once you've decided that you needed a hearing aid, you've decided which one you would like, now we need to order the hearing aids and you need to come back and pick them up. So when you pick up your personal hearing aid, that's when we do the fitting appointment. So the fitting refers to a couple of things, but mainly it's referring to making sure that the sound is perfect for you. So we have several verification and calibration processes that we do to ensure that. The other, and honestly equally important thing, is teaching you how to use it. So hearing aids aren't quite as simple as glasses where you can just put them on and you're good to go. Hearing aids do take a little bit more work, but no worries, that is why we are here to guide you through the process. So one of the things you need to know how to do, it sounds simple, but just putting them in your ears. There are so many people that I see who just don't have their hearing aids in properly, and that's gonna lead to a lot of problems. So practicing that, making sure you know how to use the charger, we can connect them to your phone and show how to use it that way. Essentially, if we're able to do a great fitting appointment, your chances of success with the hearing aids go up exponentially. So please book your appointment and then we can get that started.